This is Anand Mahajan, your instructor for this course of Python. Now, in the previous lecture, I have explained you about regular expressions. In this lecture, I am going to show you some examples.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
Now, suppose I want to have some strings and I want to display all those words or a set of words which have this substring ND. So first thing I am going to do is, as I have told you in the previous lecture, we are supposed to import the module RE. So I would import the module RE, then I would write. I had explained this program in the previous slide, but I am willing to show its execution to you. So let me explain it once again. So I have taken this variable pattern, I have written RE dot compile, and within single quotes I have written ND. Now what does it mean? It means I can use this pattern in any of in any of the expressions where I want to see only those words or substrings which have this RD. So I am preparing this pattern. So this is called pattern object and it is being assigned regular expression. So regular expression has been assigned by using re.compile and within single quotes I have written ND. So it will be assigned to the variable pattern. After that, what I am doing is I am going to use this method find all. So I would write pattern, which is my pattern object, pattern.find all. Then I have written this string, India is a land of yoga. Now what will happen is it will display all those substrings which are ND, equivalent to ND. So I would, and the result will be put into this variable res1. So I would write print res1. It will show all the substrings ND. So now I want to tell you that the benefit of using regular expression is once you have set the pattern object, that can be reused. Now I have got another string. So and in this string also I want to have the all those substrings printed with this ND, which are ND. So I need not write this statement again, pattern is equal to re.compile ND. I will simply use this pattern object pattern. So I have written pattern.find all and this new string. So again the result will be put into another variable res2. I am getting it printed, print res2. So let me execute this program. Press the right mouse button, go to run and click on this. Yeah, this is this was the first string and here we have got ND at this place and ND at this place. So those are being printed. In USA and Russia are superpowers. There was ND at this place. Yeah, so that is getting printed in the second output. Okay. Now we go to another example. I'm going to use another regular expression whereby I want to print only digits. I want to print only digits in a string. So it's very easy to do it. The first thing that you are now familiar with, I will have to import the module RE. After that, what I am writing is exp is nothing else. It's a variable. Exp is equal to re dot compile and within single quotes I am writing /d. Now what does it mean? It means that all the on whatever strings I will apply this pattern object exp, it will print its digits only. So in the next statement, what I am going to do is either I can put the result into another variable or I can get it printed directly. So I am writing print exp.find all. Find all is the method. I got 100 until 76 and so on. When I will execute this program from this string, this one, from this string, it will print only digits and it will skip all the letters and any other special characters because I have used /d as regular expression. So let me execute the program. Press the right mouse button, click on run. Yeah, as you can see, 100768099 only digits are getting printed. Let's move to another example. And in this example, what I want to do is I want to use a range. I want to print all those characters which are either D or E or F or G. So instead of writing all those separately, what we can do is we can write the whole range like D hyphen G. It represents a range. So that means if there is any letter within this range D to G, that letter will be printed. So exp.find all my dad is great, like I have written. Now I will, so in this string my dad is great, it will print only those letters which are either D or E or F or G. Again I am telling you, this represents a consecutive range. It's a consecutive range. So D, from D to G. So let's execute it. Press the right mouse and go to run. Yeah, this is the output. In this string my dad is great, you can see all D, G, E. Had there been F, that would also have been printed. This is how we can use regular expressions in a simple way, and we will be learning more in the next subsequent lectures.